Transform your living space with the perfect blend of warmth, style, and functionality. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best fireplace TV stands that not only elevate your decor but also bring cozy comfort to any room. Whether you want extra storage, stunning flame effects, or a space-saving design, these picks deliver it all. Stay tuned, your dream home upgrade is just a click away. Number 1. Amerlife Fireplace TV Stand with Sliding Door. If you're looking to upgrade your living space with something stylish, warm, and extremely functional, then the Amerlife Fireplace TV Stand with Sliding Door might just be the centerpiece your room has been missing. This stand combines the charm of rustic wood grain with the comfort of a built-in 26-inch electric fireplace, giving your home that perfect blend of modern convenience and cozy ambience. The LED flame effect feels surprisingly realistic, complete with glowing logs and soft flickering flames, while keeping things completely safe with zero emissions, no smoke, and no carbon monoxide. It's all beauty, no risk. Storage is another big win. With 4 open shelves, you get plenty of room for your gaming consoles, books, decorations, or sound system. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, or even a cozy office corner, this stand blends in effortlessly. And with a 63-inch frame, it can comfortably hold TVs up to 73 inches. Pros: cozy, realistic LED flame effect. Large storage space with 4 shelves. Supports big TVs up to 73 inches. Con: open shelves may require additional organizing to avoid clutter. Stay tuned, our next product might surprise you even more. Number 2. Oneinmil Electric Fireplace TV Stand. If you want a TV stand that does more than just hold your TV, the Oneinmil Electric Fireplace TV Stand is a powerful 2-in-1 upgrade. This 70-inch stand comes paired with a stunning 36-inch electric fireplace, giving you both style and warmth in one elegant setup. Designed to support TVs up to 80 inches, it provides a stable viewing experience while transforming your room into a cozy, modern space. The classic black wood grain finish adds a premium touch, and it's incredibly easy to clean, perfect for busy homes. The customizable flame colors and dimmer settings let you match the vibe of any mood or moment. The built-in heater covers up to 400 square foot, making it ideal for bedrooms, apartments, or living rooms. With overheat protection, CSA, ETL certification, adjustable temperature, and energy-saving LED technology, you get warmth, beauty, and safety all in one package. Storage is another win. 2 spacious cabinets, a wide top shelf, and rear cable holes keep everything organized and clutter-free. Setup is beginner-friendly too. Color-coded parts and clear instructions make assembly smooth. Pros: supports TVs up to 80-inch with a large 36th fireplace. Energy-efficient LED flames and strong heating features. Excellent storage with built-in cable management. Con: ships in 2 packages, which may arrive separately. Stay with us, our next fireplace pick gets even better. Number 3. OKD 3-sided glass electric fireplace TV stand. If you want a TV stand that instantly becomes the star of your living room, the OKD 3-sided glass electric fireplace TV stand delivers beauty, storage, and warmth all at once. This 70-inch highboy stand supports TVs up to 80 inches, making it perfect for larger setups. With 2 drawers, 2 spacious cabinets with adjustable shelves, LED lighting, and a dedicated cable management system, it keeps everything organized: DVDs, game consoles, accessories, you name it. But the real showstopper is the 36-inch electric fireplace with a stunning 3-sided glass display. You get a full panoramic view of the flames from multiple angles, something most stands don't offer. With 3 flame colors, 5 flame speeds, and heating power up to 5,118 BTU, it comfortably warms spaces up to 400 square foot, maintaining a cozy 64 degrees Fahrenheit to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, the flame and heat controls operate independently for year-round ambience. The design is a charming farmhouse classic, featuring barn-style doors with elegant glass accents. Built from sturdy MDF with a reinforced top and metal hardware, it supports up to 300 pounds safely. Pros: stunning three-sided fireplace view. Huge storage with LED-lit shelves. Strong build with excellent safety certifications. Con: arrives in 2 separate packages. Stay tuned, the next fireplace stand might be your perfect match. Number 4. Belleze Traditional Electric Fireplace TV Stand. If you're searching for a TV stand that brings both elegance and warmth into your home, the Belleze Traditional Electric Fireplace TV Stand is a beautiful blend of classic charm and modern functionality. With its contemporary grey finish, contoured edges, and finely crafted molding, this stand instantly elevates any living room decor. The glass window panes and wooden detailing on the cabinet doors add that extra touch of sophistication you'll love. Storage is another highlight. Plenty of open shelving, enclosed cabinets, and 2 adjustable shelves give you all the space you need for gaming consoles, media players, and collectibles. Everything stays organized, accessible, and stylishly displayed. But the heart of this unit is the 120V 1400W electric fireplace. It includes realistic flames and even a gentle crackling sound, giving you the cozy ambience of a real fire without smoke, ashes, or mess. It comfortably warms rooms up to 400 square foot, making it perfect for bedrooms, apartments, and living rooms. And with Belleze 30-day love it or return it guarantee, you can try it with confidence. Pros: elegant, timeless design with detailed craftsmanship. Spacious storage with adjustable shelves. Realistic flame and crackling sound for a true fireplace feel. Con: grey color may not match all decor styles. Don't go anywhere, the final fireplace TV stand might be exactly what your home needs. Number 5. Yeshomy Corner Fireplace TV Stand. If you're working with a smaller room or want to make smart use of every inch of space, the Yeshomy Corner Fireplace TV Stand is a perfect solution. Designed specifically for corners, it fits neatly into areas where traditional TV stands simply won't, giving your room a clean, open feel while still offering the warmth and style of a built-in fireplace. With its included electric fireplace, this stand turns your TV setup into a cozy winter retreat. Whether you're watching movies or relaxing after a long day, the gentle heat adds comfort without taking up extra space. It's ideal for bedrooms, apartments, or compact living rooms. Storage is surprisingly generous. You get 2 enclosed cabinets to protect fragile items and open shelving for consoles, remotes, or DVDs. Everything stays organized and easily accessible. Built from durable, high-quality materials, the structure feels sturdy and stable once assembled. Worried about setup? No need, the stand comes with simple instructions and all the screws you need for a smooth, stress-free assembly. Just note that the stand and fireplace ship in separate boxes. Pros: space-saving corner design. Multiple storage options. Cozy built-in fireplace for added warmth. Con: ships in 2 boxes, which may arrive at different times.